Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to have multiple Snapchat accounts on Android. Now, there are actually four methods that you can use to have multiple chats or Snapchats account on Android. And first up, you can try using the built-in dual app feature. So many Android phones have a built-in feature to clone apps. This feature is often called dual apps, app twin, or parallel apps. Head to your settings, apps, or dual apps or similar. Find Snapchat in the list and enable the dual app feature. This will create a second instance of Snapchat on your home screen, allowing you to log in with a different account. Next, you can also try using third-party apps. So, Parallel Space is an example, and you can download and install this from the Google Play Store. This app allows you to clone and run multiple instances of Snapchat. Another app is called App Cloner, where you can just install it from the Play Store and follow the instructions to create a second Snapchat app. The most basic way or method to have multiple Snapchat accounts on Android is simply by logging in and out. You can manually log out of one account and log into another. This method is less convenient but doesn't require any additional apps. Now finally, if you have access to more than one device, then you can keep different accounts logged in on each device. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.